You got a video. We are getting ready to go Kung Fu on this. Are you ready to take on the beehive?
I'll get that motherfucker.
That's a nasty hive. Oh,
you
man.
motherfucker going down.
Hold on, you gotta do it, you gotta talk, and then your lips gotta be all off and shit.
You fucking die, B! You ready?
Oh shit! Whoa!
Oh shit, he chased me!
Oh man.
Get it another time, Miller.
Yeah, you got one more swing in ya.
Side swing.
They're not even that bad right now.
Get in there.
I don't know if y'all can see that shit, but
We're get stung again.
that's a lot of bees. Whoa, shit, whoa, whoa, whoa! Ah! It was swarming around my head. Ah! Dude, I had one following me. Yeah.